Hi guys, this is just a quick video on how to make oat milk. Really simple, just need oats and water. I use 300 grams to make 2 litres and it comes out like semi-skimmed. If you want a thicker milk, just add more oats. So I just cover the oats with water and then blend for 30 seconds. Now nut milk bags have quite an open mesh, so they're not very good for oat milk. Instead I use these muslin bags. I'll just triple them up, so there's 3 bags there, and the ones that you can buy for home brewing, jam making. I'll just pour the oat mixture into the bags and let it drain. And that's it. Pour into your container and I'll just top up with water to the 2 litre mark. Then all you got to do is make sure you shake it before each use, because the sediment will drop to the bottom. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you fancy seeing more content like this. Cheers.